What if I told you that the #1 thing making you look older isn't your diet, your skincare, or even your age, but something invisible that's attacking your body every single day? And worse, you might be feeding it without knowing. In today's video, we're re-exposing the shocking truth about stress, how it secretly speeds up your aging process from the inside out, and, more importantly, how you can reverse it. Whether you're in New York, Lagos, London, or Sydney, stress is a universal problem, but the good news: you can fight back starting today. Stress is not a local issue, it's a worldwide epidemic. Studies show that over 75% of adults worldwide report feeling high levels of stress. In Japan, it's overwork. In the US, it's financial pressure. In Africa, it's economic uncertainty. In Europe, it's the fast-paced lifestyle. Wherever you live, stress doesn't just affect your mood, it leaves fingerprints on your face, your hair, your heart, and even your DNA. The science of stress and aging. Here's the science in plain language. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. In short bursts, cortisol can help you survive danger, but when it's constantly high, it damages your cells, weakens your collagen, and speeds up the breakdown of skin elasticity. It also creates free radicals, unstable molecules that literally rust your body from the inside out. The result: wrinkles, fine lines, hair thinning, fatigue, and a weakened immune system, all before your time. I remember speaking with Maria in Spain. She looked 45, but was only 32. Her secret enemy: a high-pressure corporate job and little rest. In Nigeria, I met Daniel, a father of 3 whose stress was from daily traffic, bills, and lack of sleep. He started graying in his early 30s. And in South Korea, Sujin shared how academic pressure and late-night study sessions gave her chronic skin breakouts and constant fatigue. Different continents, same enemy: stress. How stress secretly speeds up aging. The hidden signs: rapid skin aging, more wrinkles, uneven tone, hair changes, premature graying, thinning, weakened immunity, frequent colds, slow healing, chronic fatigue, feeling older than your years, brain fog and memory issues. Stress ages the brain too. Shortened telomeres, the biological markers of aging. It's not just about looking older, it's about feeling older inside your bones and cells. How to reverse the damage, practical global tips, immediate stress breakers do today: deep breathing for 5 minutes, step outside for fresh air and sunlight, listen to calming music or guided meditation. Daily stress armor: sleep 7 to 9 hours, your skin repairs at night. Hydrate well, water fights cell damage, balanced diet, more greens, omega-3 south, and antioxidants. Limit processed sugar, it worsens inflammation. Long-term anti-stress plan: practice mindfulness or prayer daily. Schedule downtime as seriously as work. Build a support network, friends, family, community. Exercise moderately. Yoga, walking, or dancing works globally. Special anti-aging stress tips from around the world. In India, millions swear by yoga and Ayurveda to balance body and mind. In Finland, saunas are a weekly ritual to detox and relax. In Brazil, dancing is a joyful way to keep stress away. And in Japan, the practice of Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing, is scientifically proven to reduce stress hormones. Wherever you are, find your cultural or personal pause button and use it often. Here's the truth: stress will always knock on your door, but you don't have to invite it in to stay. Start with just one change today: one deep breath, one walk outside, one kind word to yourself. Every small step is a wrinkle reversed, a cell repaired, and a year added to your life. Comment: which stress-reducing habit will you try first? Like if you found this helpful. Share this with someone you love because health is the best gift. Subscribe for weekly wellness tips to help you live younger, longer, and stronger.